Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we get to work on this wonderful RV, which we've had for a minute. Like what, like 3 months now, Michael?
Probably, yeah, on and off.
So as you guys remember, I drove this thing all the way back from Sacramento with the damage, had the roof damage and the glass damage. We got the glass knocked out by Ed's Auto Glass. Did a great job. Look at it. He got even the side glass done. So everything's looking good. I did the body work an episode ago or two. That knocked out. We got the roof all glued in. Michael glued it. It turned out really good. And by the time Michael glued it, I went on a fishing trip. And I had a great time, you know, fishing for steelhead. So it was a great time. Show you some clips right there.
I don't discriminate.
Oh, wait, no. Oh, hey, that's a huge one.
Wow, wow.
Look at that piece. And just like that, I'm back, and we are ready to knock this thing out. So what do I have to do today? Paint it, Ivan. Paint it today. So it's kind of cold. Yesterday was warm. I should have done it yesterday because we got to do it outside. But today's gonna be a high of what, 55?
Dang.
So make sure I don't make a waterfall. Make sure I don't make runs out of this thing. But we're pretty much gonna do single stage. So we're just gonna paint and clear. You know, less to go wrong with it. But we got all this black to do. Maybe I'm gonna do like halfway. Just like the top section, and it'll probably save us a lot of time. But I don't know. What do you think, Michael?
Yeah, I mean, just blend the top, so gotta get that painted, little piece.
It'd be hard to kind of match it. I don't know.
Maybe just the top section itself. You can do a different color.
No, we had to do black, but like right here, we can maybe splice it in. Like right there on the edge, so
Yeah.
it won't, you know, won't be that different. Only you guys will know. But once you start driving on it, it'll be fine. But
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that, and Michael got a lot of interior stuff to do. We still got the awning replaced. We got a new awning. The AC unit, I think, came in today.
Yep.
So
The cover. Yep.
hopefully today we get this paint knocked over, finish off everything else. Also, parts came in for the Sienna, so we can finish that today and get that thing out of here. And maybe the Escalade too, a couple little more things.
Oh
to do with
yeah,
Escalade.
complete all these projects.
We got a lot of little things to do, a lot of little things to finish up. We'll be done with those projects and this project, and we're ready for the next project. And the next thing that Michael did while I was on my fishing trip, he sold my boat.
Go.
Michael, why did you sell my boat?
Had to go, Ivan.
Had to go. Well, we got a good deal for it. We sold it for, you know, made a little bit of profit, which was good, right, Michael?
Yep.
So we can buy another boat. Because I think it was a little too big for what I wanted. You know, I wanted a little bit smaller.
Yeah, that was massive.
So, but you know, we'll keep looking, and let's go ahead and knock this out.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, let's go inside this RV. Sorry about my voice. Just the season, a little cold, but the show must go on, so we got work to do. I want to fix that in the RV. Definitely want to fix that piece right there, that trim piece. As soon as you walk in, this looks bad. I'm going to replace that light. All this looks pretty nasty. Looks like my bed is unhinged, so I'll get that fixed as well. Definitely need to fix that blind. A lot of little trim pieces, a lot of little work. I mean, most campers, honestly, after you drive them, things start shaking and falling apart. It needs to be adjusted, retightened. Over there, another blind. Get rid of this awning. We bought ourselves a new one already, and in the back is looking pretty nice. It's actually sweet. Definitely a cool little camper. I got power on right now so I can see inside. I'm gonna finish nail gun. I'm gonna get in here, and get this thing trimmed up. Shouldn't be too bad. Let's knock it out.
All right, so there we go. We got everything sanded down. We still got to wipe it down, but we are ready to start taping this thing up and getting ready to paint it. So we ordered the paint, should be here any minute. And let's get this thing all taped up and go from there. All right guys, and just like that, we got this thing sanded, taped, wiped down, and ready to paint. We only have one problem, Michael, and that's the cold weather.
Oh yeah.
So that's not exciting because in cold weather, things will run. It's not really exciting. Be careful, make sure, maybe lower the air pressure a little bit, take my time, because it's gonna take a little bit longer to set up. That means we don't have to spray so thick. And then I got the torch, just in case it starts running, I'm gonna set it on fire. No, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna set it on fire. We're gonna probably preheat it a little bit. Maybe preheat the paint just a little bit so it's a little bit warmer.
Yeah, heat gun, maybe a little safer. Whatever.
But
yeah.
we did not have a paint coat, so we went with black. Went to the paint store, they said single stage black. Apparently she gave us a GM motor black.
Sounds about right.
I don't know, it looks pretty good. I mean, got a little single stage in there. So this is ready to paint, and this should paint a lot faster because, you know, we got like, what, 3 hours till it gets dark?
Yep.
And we don't want it to...
Get dewy.
Yeah, so we got we gotta work pretty fast, and then maybe pull it inside the shop and let it, you know, bake inside there, not to get the thing. But let's go ahead and put this in the paint gun and start spraying.
right, guys, knocking the projects out, getting it completed. The RV's done. We're also wrapping up the Sienna, the hybrid. Basically, we're waiting on some parts to come in. Got that in there. The wheel bearing was all replaced, so that's driving much better. Also, the fuse box was kind of acting up. It was kind of a pain, but it was like a relay that was kind of loose inside.
All that headache, all those lights, everything, just because of one little relay.
That's crazy. Just the little things, but it takes a little time because we want to make it right. Like I said, this is going from our brother-in-law, so he's going to enjoy it. So we might as well fix all the bugs now because it's going to come back anyway. So testing it out, driving it out, getting it going, making sure all it's nice, but turned out pretty good.
Yeah, the front end's looking really good. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
We got this side, so we did a lot of work, almost painted the whole thing.
Basically.
So, but we never really checked out the interior. Let's check out the interior.
Yeah, check it out. This side, that side.
I don't know, Michael, what do you think? Better than the Odyssey, or this is nice?
It's really cool. Definitely a new style. I like all the space you have over there. The trim looks really nice, and the vinyl.
But you see the middle seats, what they do?
It's pretty cool. It slides or whatever,
It
right?
slides, and then it bumps up the little thing right here. Look at that.
Wow.
So you can, you know, be really chilling.
The captain chair, airplane style.
Yeah,
That's
and then
really
it's got
cool.
the TV for the kids. I mean, interior's super clean. I mean, it's got good miles. I mean, it's nice.
It's definitely a nice high package for sure. This is cool.
Maybe we should take it on a road trip before we give it to them.
Then you gotta clean it again. That's fine. It's all good. We'll get something else, but it's pretty sweet. Definitely, I would drive it. Like I said, no lights in the dash. Everything's working properly how it's supposed to, so that's pretty sweet.
I mean, we did the alignment pass, so the strut, all the suspension we did was good. Also, we took it to the dealer, got the transmission flushed.
Nice. Yeah, because those lines are broken kind of thing. So.
Well, I couldn't find a level thing on it, but
They probably do it on purpose, so you have to go to the dealer to get it serviced kind of thing. But
the crazy thing is this thing is, when I got transmission fluid, they said it's a CVT, but when they did the fluid exchange, they said it's not a CVT. It's really weird. I don't know what
they don't know what they're talking about either sometimes. Yeah, that happens.
So, but other than that, I mean, it turned out really sweet. You know, knocking down these builds, getting them done, getting them on their way, and onto the new stuff.
Oh yeah, for sure. Got to move on. You know, it was a great project. We're happy, and hopefully he's gonna love it. But like I said, hopefully get some new projects, new exciting things. All right, let's go ahead and open up this cover, make sure it's the right one. Got it from Camping World, so I hope it's gonna fit, but you just never know. There's a lot of different types of AC units out there, so hopefully we got the right one. Okay, got some scuffs on it already. I'm surprised they didn't wrap it up or anything, nothing. Just straight into the box. Wow, I mean, still paid $200 for it. Dang. Hope it fits. Looks like the right cover. But again, I'm kind of disappointed on their packing skills. And plastic bag, I mean, a trash bag would have done better than nothing. But it's all good, we'll get it up there, bolt it down. I'm sure it'll be fine up there because you won't be able to see it anyway.
Yeah, that has a look.
It's looking good. Look at that. So nice.
Hard to tell with the lighting. 1 second, guys. Trying to adjust it for you.
I'm glad the cold water or the cold air overnight did not ruin it.
That's good.
And I just took off the whole cap. This tape is really good. No, single stage is the way to go. Look at that.
A lot easier. So playing a school bus single stage.
A lot more trash though. This is not as
Clean.
seen, but it'll work.
Not bad at all.
All right, guys. Good news and bad news. So the good news is this thing is looking amazing. Honestly, it turned out great. The paint job, looking good. Bad news is my AC cover actually did not fit. It was like a 1 and a 2, and I got the 2, and I should have got the 1. So I got to get that returned to Camping World and ordered another one. So that's coming in soon. Luckily, they're fast shipping. But I'm just gonna give this thing a quick bath. It's still so dirty from all the primer, dust, sanding, all that fun stuff. So hopefully that'll all come off, and it's gonna look good as new. All right, guys. RV is checking out nice. Check out the privacy you get. Basically, just swivel around and then you're chilling. Like I said before, there's a big old slide out. Fireplace is working great. TV's on. Moving right along. Master bedroom. Pretty nice, pretty clean. Not a bad sized bathroom, I would say. Nice shower. Got your sink. Looking good. Oh, towel rack, all these little things. So nice. Turned out pretty clean. Definitely be a great camper. All we're missing in here is just a fire alarm beep. That's about it. Alright guys, and just like that, the RV project is complete. We're still missing the awning, the little AC cover. I'm going to get that later when it comes in. We're missing little brackets for that RV. I mean the awning thing, but all good. The major repairs are done, and we know it drives because we got it from California, 3,000-mile road trip, as with the damage, so that's pretty cool. But basically, that's all the time for this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave some comments down below. Should we get some more RVs? Overall, I think it was a pretty cool project. Not too bad. Definitely possible to do at home with a carport, and you're good to go. Get it done. But thanks for all the feedback. Make sure to subscribe. Can't do it without you guys. Thanks for all the support. We'll catch you next time.